So I thought that it would be kind of fun to do a little bit of a vintage space ad. I usually like to start with an image, right? But in this case, we don't have one. So we're just gonna like start fresh and just kind of generate an image. Okay. A space background with stars and large moon with an astronaut floating. I'm gonna select photo as my content type, but I do want to add the film noir effect here. So let's go ahead and generate that. Let's go with this one. I'm just gonna select this and then generative fill because I want to remove it so that I can just have the background. There you go, look at that.
Wow.
Awesome. You have so much control and so much flexibility. So like even though we started off with that other image, like we're kind of like building our own, right? So I'm opening up with one image that I had. So now I'm gonna do a copy merge of this, which is just Command-Shift-C. And I'm gonna go back to my moon here. Essentially what I'm doing is I'm just duplicating each layer and I'm putting it behind that very first front, right? So that everything's in the front. So I actually turn them as I'm doing it, giving that little like rotation. There we go. So here is kind of that image. Oh my gosh, should we do a cat instead? Kitty
wearing
in
a space helmet
suit with space helmet.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Okay.
Wait.
Oh, well,
that's kind of fun.
That is so
Let's
cute.
see. I'm gonna grab my magic wand tool and kind of grab this little section here. So cat
whoa.
face. You guys. Oh my, wait, this one. Perfect. Okay, love it. I'm into it. Okay, so now the other fun thing that I've been playing around with is that we can generate textures, you guys, and overlay them onto our work. So I'm gonna go ahead and press new and do the same thing, a little letter. Let's do like a vintage paper stock like textures. Maybe?
Oh yeah.
So there's our texture. So now what I can do is I can select it all, Command A, another copy merge, Command-Shift-C. So when you're doing Command-C, it's only taking into account the layer that's being selected. You just want to do like a copy what I see. Like
that's
copy
cool.
merge.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. Gosh, did I teach you something?
Yeah, of course. There's always something to learn, you know? Yeah.
I know. This is what I love about Adobe Live. And there is our texture. You know what? I kind of do like this overlay just because of the texture. It like brings out so much of it on the sides. So let's go ahead and add some text. Go ahead, shoot for the moon. I've noticed that in vintage ads, usually the like first letter tends to be like larger. Okay, and so then like we just added a little grain there. There we go.
There.
So now let's go ahead and just do a little black and white, but bring down the opacity. Ooh, there you go. Look at that.
I like the black and white.
So here we have like our amazing ad, right? But then we're like, we want to create more. So if we do like this and then like craters, and then I'm just gonna do this for like stars. So let's go ahead and save this. And then let's go to our Adobe Firefly. Close up of moon with crater texture in space and a small earth in the back. Let's go ahead and change it to portrait. But now I'm like gonna give it an actual reference image. And then I'm gonna just go ahead and add that same film noir situation, right? So let's go ahead and generate it. You guys, are you kidding me?
Whoa, that looks
gorgeous.
Really cool.
Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna download it, bring that right in. Here's our image, right? But it obviously doesn't look like it's just superimposed. You can just kind of go around. Now I'm gonna click on that layer and subtract transparency mask so that it's not affecting the SSD card. Now I'm gonna generate fill, smoky fog. Let's see. Perfect. That looks like it belongs now. And then let's go ahead and just add our text. Smooth landings, stellar performance. You guys, wow. So we've got our go ahead, shoot for the moon, and we've got smooth landings, you guys.
So yeah, thanks guys for watching. I'll see you later.
Bye.